If you've been given a choice between losing 50 pounds so you can slide into the shower or taking the shower out, just take the shower out. That's what makes the most sense, right? Right? Any sane person right now should be asking, why is he sharpening a hatchet? Woo, woo. What is going on, y'all? I believe today we're gonna try to get this shower out of here. I think that's the plan of attack. That'll give us a clean, empty bath. Well, not clean, but empty bathroom. It's all gonna come out of there. All right, here we go. Oh, I think I injured myself. There we go. That light's gotta go. Oh! All right, all right. That was keeping the door on. This is the old rail for the shower head. I wonder. Oh, I think I smacked myself in the face with it. Ah, damn! Oh! All right. Then we should attack this thing from the outside in. Yeah! That's how you do that. Gotta cut the caulk. What's going on, Mr. Raymond? There we go. There we go. Now we're rolling. Oh. Woo. I'm abusing my coping saw. Wire cutters, I'll see how well the hatchet works. Still gonna have to cut this shower into pieces to get it out of here. Ooh. This is gonna be a pain in the ass to get out of here. That's all I'm saying. It's an LED bulb, good for the next 20,000 years. Don't do that. Don't forget about the wires hanging there that you're going to cut down anyway. Well, that's not good. That's not supposed to be like that. Oh, it's a good thing they put carpet underneath the shower. That's a good place for it. Look at that. Cut through the whole freaking wall. I guess it's all molded together. That's gonna need a little patch. Little patch. There we go. So what we don't want to do is cut the deck. Oop, looked like we scratched it. We didn't cut it, we scratched it though. Oof. There we go, there we go. No, it's not attached, that's all right. Smoking. Oof. Tired of waiting. I should be through yet. Don't worry, we're gonna reuse all these door jambs anyway. I think it's mahogany. All right. Yes. Oh. Come out of there. Yes. All right. Woo. Yeah. Oh, cool. All right, so that plumbing just tore right out of there. I forgot to do the drain. I forgot to untie the drain. All right. Whew. Yeah, it's 127 degrees in here. I don't know if you can see the water just dripping off of my hat. It weighs about... Woo! That weighs about 50 pounds. Oh, ooh, a lot of space now. Now I just put a door here and call this the suite. I can't believe that ripped off like that. That's pretty good. Start from the top. Take it from the top, gentlemen. All right, you know what? That's enough for today, I think. I'm gonna go drink 2 gallons of water and get out of here.